Hi, everyone. Welcome. I'm attorney Megan Pastrana of Immigration for Couples. So let's dive in. We have received a lot of questions about work permits and travel documents, from where are they processed to how long will it take? Are they two separate documents? What do they look like? So I really specifically want to talk a little bit about current processing times, but I also would like to answer those other questions as well. So when I'm talking about work permits, our firm, Immigration for Couples specifically, we focus exclusively on couple-based cases. So I will refer to the adjustment of status for those who are married to a United States citizen and living in the United States. That is the case type that I'm referring to with work permits. And the work permit is processed separately in a completely separate place from where your interview will be. And I have other videos on how to check your the estimated time for your interview and how to check processing times for adjustment of status, because there are different forms at play and the wait times vary. But to answer that first question that a lot of individuals have is that the work permit it's processed at the National Benefit Center in Lee Summit, Missouri. So it's in a different office where they will review your work permit and your travel document, your travel permit. And then your actual green card and your interview would occur in the USCIS office in the jurisdiction where you're living, typically the state and where you're living. So it is a separate office. And then with regards to the other question of how you receive them or what they look like, essentially you'll receive, it's just a work permit. It's a card. And the card right now, they used to issue the travel document and the work permit as separate documents. But what they have done now is that the work permit will actually have your travel authorization noted on the card. So it will be together. And then for the most popular question is, what is the processing time? When will I receive my work permit? And pre-COVID, we used to see that our clients would get their work permits in a matter of, we used to see like in a month or two. It was always less than 90 days. Work permits came quickly because the idea of receiving the work permit while your adjustment of status case is pending is so you can work and get your driver's license and all of the things you need to live life. Unfortunately, wait times have drastically grown. And with COVID, the wait times are even longer. Currently, as of October 21st of 2021, processing times are sitting at about 9 to 10 months. We have had some clients, some unicorns who were lucky and got their work permit in much less time. And again, I have a lot of videos, and I'll reference a video how immigration processes cases. I have a video that kind of discusses why it varies so much from person to person. But in general, it's taking about 9 to 10 months right now to receive that work permit. And we have had a lot of individuals who have actually had their interview and received their green card before they even received their work permit. So the work permit became irrelevant, but at least you have your green card. So that's just a general processing time right now for work permits. So hopefully that helps answer all of those common questions we've been receiving about work and travel document processing times.